This pizza recipe is something you'd want to try. It's not just delicious, but it's so simple to be made. Let's get started. Into a bowl, I went in with some flour. Then I added sugar and also some yeast to this. If your batter or margarine do not have salt in it, then you can add salt to this. Okay, I added melted margarine and I went ahead to add some warm water to this. Also, if you do not have a hand mixer like this, okay, you can use your fingers, sorry, to mix this to form a dough. Yes, and I'm just going to use the mixer to mix this for about 5 minutes. Then I'll put it back on a wet surface where I'm going to be needy for extra 10 minutes. Okay, it's very important to knead your dough very well. Yes, so that it helps from the gluten. It's so important. So do well to knead it. Okay, knead your dough so that you get the gluten very well. Now that I've done this, all I'm going to do is to put this back into the bowl. Yes, just like this. And I'm going to cover this and I'll allow it to proof for about an hour. Yes, about an hour. And this is what we have here. All I'm going to do here is to punch some air out and put it back on the work surface. Ensure to flour your work surface. If you do not want to use too much of the flour, then just use margarine or butter to grease your surface so that it will just serve the same purpose just as the flour would do. Okay, in case you do not want to use too much of the flour. Now I'm just going to flatten this and then I'll roll it out until I get it very round and the consistency I want. Okay, now in your baking pan, make sure to fry it as well. Yeah, I advise to fry it or you grease it with some margarine, put it on it, and then put your toppings. Okay, everything will just be in the description where you will know the exact things I use and their quantity or the measurement. So don't worry. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome, and please do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. If you find this video helpful and wish to come across my video next time, then do not forget to click on the bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any video I post next time. And also to my returning subscribers, you are once again welcome and thank you for always coming back to support this community. Alright, so the toppings I use are displayed on the screen and also they will be in the description. So if you do not like anything I use here, you can as well substitute it, okay, so that you enjoy your pizza just like I'm enjoying mine right now. Alright. Next is to put this into the oven and bake. Okay, like I said, everything will be in the description. So do well to read the description to get all the details you would need. And you might as well want to connect with me on my other social media platforms so that you do not miss out on any updates I have for you all. Thank you so much for watching and do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, click on the bell notification icon and I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.